To set video as a color background on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. For that, you have to go your call, then go to this setting. Under setting, you can see the setting, then scroll down, then you can see the call background. Now here is the main skin and this is the cover skin. You can change those as well. Then you can see the background. Now here you can see the gallery option. Find the video that you want to select. For example, I want to set this one, then press on this one, and then if video will be too long, so you need to cut under 15 seconds. So let's try to set a under 15-second video, this one 8 seconds, then press on set as background. Now let's try to call. Then you can see color background will be changed with video. That's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up and to subscribe. Have a good day.